channel. So, as I promised on my last video, I will be doing a room tour. So, again, I am in Hampton Inn and Suites by Toronto Airport, Hilton Toronto Airport, parang ganun yung name. I am on my 3-day mandatory quarantine. So again, I am already in Canada. So guys, if you enter Canada, you are required to book a 3-day quarantine on a government-authorized accommodation or the GAA. So, yan, andito ako ngayon sa GAA. And then, after that, you have to complete the whole whole 14 days na it's up to you kung hotel ba siya or like a place like a pension house or whatever. Basta maibigay mo yung yung requirements is masunod, like wala kang makakausap, like isolated ka pa rin. So in my case, ito yung 3-day GAA ko or the 3-day accommodation. And then nilipat ako sa kabilang hotel, like isa pang hotel na mas mura kasi guys super mahal ito. So lilipat ako sa isang hotel na mas mura sa 11 days ko. And then after that, during day 10, on day 10, ka-COVID test na naman ako, and then pag nag-negative, so tsaka na pwedeng umalis and explore the world. Explore the world. Dito, tapos na yung on-arrival na COVID test ko. So, expected na within 3 days, makuha ko na yung result. So, tsaka na pwedeng lumipat sa dun sa isang hotel. So, yun guys. I will be doing now my hotel room tour. So guys, sa pagpasok nyo pa lang, yan na yung makikita nyo. So, don't mind those things there. Mga bags ko yan. So, on this side, andito yung toilet. So, ayan. Nag-request ako ng ibang toiletries kasi kulang yung dala ko and sabi nila pwede naman daw. So, ayan. Nagamit ko na yung isang towel guys, so may space na siya dyan. So, dyan yung toilet, bathroom, whatever. So, on this side, ito yung parang mini kitchen or whatever. Hi! So, ayan. Kagabi guys, dumating ako around 12 na. So, may dineliver. Ayan. And then, yung food dito. So, gagawa na, mag-antay, haul tayo mamaya. So, ayan dyan. I think this is a food keeper. I don't know, I'm not sure. And then, yan. So, may mga complimentary teas and cups and yeah, sugar. Yeah, ganyan. And then heater and then mga baso. And then here we have the refrigerator, the fridge. Hindi siya nakasaksak, wala din siyang laman. And ito parang may mga storage dito. Ayan. And then another storage there. And then ito yung microwave. Pwede ako magluto or mag-init ng mga food. So, ayan. So, again, that's the mini kitchen. Now, ito yung parang office, like mini office mo. So, notebook ko yan. Gorilla stick ko yan. Ayan. And then, may parang drawer siya, guys. So, yan. Wag na natin buksan ng sobra-sobra. Andyan yung kalat ko. And then, so, that's it. So, yan yung parang office. And then, on this side is a full-length mirror. Hi! So, ayan. Hindi ko na lang yan bubuksan, guys. Kasi andyan yung shoes ko. And then, yung mga dirty clothes ko. And then, mga madaming stuff. Then, on this side, another mirror. And then, again, dyan ko muna nilagay yung mga things ko. And then, on this side is parang living room. O yung parang mini sala niya, guys. And then, we have there, a TV, flat screen, and then, yung view. So, there. Tapos, guys, I have 2 queen beds. I do not know bakit 2 queen beds yung binigay. So, yeah. Yan, dito ako natulog kagabi, kaya medyo ano na siya. And then, dito na naman siguro ako mamayang gabi. So, yan. So, yan yung buong room ko, guys. And then, I'm gonna show you my view. So, wala siya gaanong view, guys. So, yan. Yan palang Canada na nakikita ko ngayon. So, ayan. Hampton. And then, yung mga flags. So, yan. So, that's it for our room tour. So, guys, kanina sabi ko na mag-haul tayo nung pagkain ko kagabi. But na-realize ko na siguro gagawa na lang ako ng isa pang video na it's about a day in this like 3-day mandatory quarantine. So, dun ko ilalagay yung whole meal ko for today. And also, ano yung mga ganap sa buhay ko dito sa whole day. So, ayan. So, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa latest live updates ko. So, see you again on my next video. Bye-bye!